Well, hello everybody, Steve Tristan here from Steve Tristan's Best. I would like to share with you that my companies, both Best Custom Screens and Blind End Screen, they both offer installation in Los Angeles. That's our hometown, and we offer installation for in-house for homeowners as well as apartment buildings, including in new construction. Okay, so we install vertical blinds, mini blinds, faux wood blinds, all kinds of different types of blinds, as well as wood shutters, roller shades, especially automated or motorized roller shades. We have a brand new product coming out. It's called the smart shades. So smart roller shades. Got that brand new product coming out. So check it out on our website at blindandscreen.com. And also, we install sliding screen doors, window screens, solar screens, as well as swinging screen doors and security screen doors. You could order those at bestcustomscreens.com. And all those products are available to be installed right here in LA and throughout Southern California. Okay, so we're offering this security screen doors, which the swinging screen doors, should I say swinging security screen doors, as well as the French door security screen door, and sliding, so the sliding version. We're offering installation with those here in the local market. So if you have a need, give us a call. Our number is 800-341-9054, or check us out at bestcustomscreens.com or blindandscreen.com. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, okay?